Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing well. So in this tutorial I will show you how we can create a bucket in the Solidworks. So let's start. Open a new file. Select part, click OK. Select the front plane, go to sketch and select a center line. Draw a line, vertical, and also change the unit to centimeter. And select the sketch, edit sketch, and now again select line. First draw the profile of the bucket. Select an arc. And make the arc and the line tangent to each other. Tangent. And now fillet this corner. And specify distance, radius of the fillet to. And now specify the other dimensions. 15. Also the distance of this line and this corner, end of this line is 40, and the angle between this and this line is 95, and the radius of this arc is 1. And now select exit sketch and go to feature tab and select revolve both space command. Select the sketch and select OK. So this is the final shape of our bucket, and we can apply different appearance on it. So now we will apply appearance on it, different color. Go to appearance and apply yellow color. So this is the final shape and appearance of the bucket. So that's the end of the video, and I hope you like this video. And if you want to receive the notification of next video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.